Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Developer Pro, and today we are going for a smart overview on blockchain. Before starting, subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more updates. And if you want to get complete information about blockchain, then watch complete video. Now, without time wasting, let's get started. In the present age, there is a lot of corruption and black money transactions, and these transactions have records at any database. But we can't take it as a reliable source because we don't have access of that database, and the admin of that database can make changes in it. So this is not a secure and trustworthy process. And if we want a system which is decentralized and shared, whose authority is not a property of one person and it's nearly impossible to make changes in it, then blockchain is just like that system. And there is a term I use, decentralized. The proper definition of decentralized is the process by which the activities of an organization, particularly those regarding planning and decision making, are distributed or delegated away from a central, authoritative location or group. To understand this, there is a ledger book on shops, and every customer has its own record, and every record is a block, and both shopkeeper and customer access it. But one can't make changes in it. If one make changes in it, then he cashed easily because it connected directly. Not middleman is involved in it. Now, in blockchain, data is stored in every block. The first thing which is stored in block is relevant information. Like between Bitcoin has transaction information, that who are selling and who are buying in how much price, that all information is stored in block. And the second thing which is stored in block is hash. Hash is a unique code, like we have a number on our ID card. Like that, every block have unique hash, but the hash is a proper code, language code, like programming code. And the third thing which is stored in block is previous hash, that is previous block hash. And the first block who don't have block before him is called genesis. Therefore, blockchain makes things trackable and secure, and there is a consensus rule in blockchain. This rule defines that decision can only made on majority basis. It means if we have to make changes in it blockchain, then we have to take permission from all the blocks. If majority of blocks allowed, then we can make changes in it. If not, then we can't make changes in it. And nowadays, there is a lot of domains are used in blockchain. Like the most popular is cryptocurrency, and in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has reduced the middleman and saves us from over tax charges. At the second, the works of real estates are also done in blockchain. Their buyers and selling records are stored in blockchain. And the third use of blockchain is in hospitals. Patient records are stored on blockchain. Doctors can get the correct information, and patients' records are also stored safely. This one more thing which is used in blockchain is smart contract. It's just like our normal life contracts, but these are online and written in the form of codes. It's safe. You can't make change in it once you done. Proper definition of a smart contract is a self-executing contract with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code.